Hi everybody, this is Jen, and I am here with a artistic studio creation design team project, and this is actually a WIP, but I'm also here to tell you that you don't have to hurry through projects and that you can take your time and enjoy them, because that is what the hobby is all about. So this is a tutorial that this is made from a tutorial that the Scrap Queen has on her YouTube channel loosely. I mean, it has the same base pages and I followed some of her designs, but it's called the Cozy Winter tutorial, and I'll link it down below. But this is a huge album, or it will be when it's done. I have about half of the pages done right now. So yeah, it's like 11 1/4 inches. So it's a really cool construct though. You have these half pages here. I'm using the Halloween and Wonderland collection from G45, but you can use any collection from anywhere. And I also supplemented some of the papers with other papers. So like this paper, for instance, this black is from one of the other G45 Halloween collections. So they're pretty interchangeable. So I'll just point the ones out that I know as I go through. So these half pockets have, well, they're all a little bit different, but they have, this one has a pocket, and I use one of my cut-aparts, or fussy cut images rather, to make that pocket. And then I fussy cut some more images too. Here's one of them. So she'll look neat on one of the pages or on the front of the cover. And then I wanted to point out that this page here has magnets in it. So the Etsy store does not have the magnets on it because Etsy has some kind of restriction against them. But head over to ASCcraftsupplies.com and get your magnets. And my code is ScrappingPosh10 for 10% off your purchases, your normal price purchases. And then this one, I used the sticker from the collector's edition, and you can flip it open like this. I'm not sure that the Halloween and Wonderland collection is available because, you know, it is a Halloween collection, but yeah, I wasn't feeling the spring vibes, but I do have the new DCE collection deluxe collector's edition of the I can't remember what it's called, the one with the dragons and stuff on it. So I'll be doing, I think I'm going to go ahead and do this one with that collection too. I think it'll be really neat, and I'm going to use some of my new stamps with that also. So I do my pages by color. This is the green and black. You flip the page, this is the red, and then I use this green border here so that when it's closed you can't see the orange peeking through. And I also just use a couple of strips of paper to bring out, just to decorate. And then each one of these pockets, or each one of these pages, also has a side pocket, so there's so much room. And then the big page is also a giant pocket. So and then you have a flap with another pocket on it, and some of them, like, you don't have to put a pocket there, they're going to be different. And then I went ahead and put a belly band on this and used one of the cut aparts. Whoops. So like a tag there. And this one doesn't have a cut apart. This one doesn't have a pocket in the side, but that's because it's a flap. And then that is like the first page assembly. So I'm doing a little bit different. Normally I attach all my pages, and then, but I thought I would follow the tutorial, and I really enjoy following a good tutorial. So yeah, if you haven't seen Scrap Queen, go ahead and head on over there. This one is the L pocket. She shows you an easy way to make that. And a belly band with a stopper on it. I used the cardboard cutouts for the stopper. And this one I just did like a slit in the corner of the designer paper. And then there's the large, and again these all have big pockets in them. And then this one I just added a little pocket there with one of the journaling card things. It's not really a journaling card because before they had journaling cards. And then Scrap Queen uses all her little scraps in her album, so I thought, what a great idea, I'm doing that too. And then this is supposed to be like the blue page. So let me see, like blue, blue, and then this has a lot of blue in it too. And then we do a cream page. The back of this page has a large pocket, a flip up, a pocket in the flip up. Pull that down. I use one of the cut aparts from the paper there. This one has a very large, like, fold out in it. And you can put anything you want in these pockets. But I like the cream color. And then another one of those magnets. So head on over to asccraftsupplies.com to get your magnets. And another pocket. Now I haven't put the tags in here yet, or the mats. A small pocket here. Flip it open, and I just decided to leave the backs of these plain, but this one has a flap that gives it a little bit of interest, and then a giant belly band here also. Again, pocket. I didn't show these. These are pockets. Pocket. I mean, just so many places. And then this one has like a triple fold-out page with also pockets on it. So you can see here, that way, and that way. I just think it's really neat, and that's one of her page designs. And then finally the back of that, I'm going to go into a purple page here. So that is half of my mini album that I have done so far. It is a big mini album, so again, enjoy your process. Don't rush through a project. Take your time, and head on back here. Hopefully next week I'll have this project completed. Again, head over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. If you want your magnets, be sure to head over to asccraftsupplies.com and search magnets. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. And through March 10th, there is a paper sale going on. So don't miss the paper sale. It's huge. It's always a big blowout. My discount code doesn't apply, but you'll get a way better deal if you just get the paper. You can always use my code separately. So thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.